What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the LOKA token, also known as League of Kingdoms Arena token on Coinbase. So for the first step we will need to open Coinbase, and if you don't have an account yet, then check out the link in the description and you will receive 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. So the next step is to go to the search bar right on top, and after that we need to search for the LOKA token. So select it. After that you will arrive at the token page. As you can see, we have a price chart over here and we can select different time frames to see what this coin has done in the past. Now if you scroll a little bit down, then you've got some information about this project and also the stats like the market cap, volume, circulating supply, all-time high and the performance. Now for the next step we would like to buy this coin, so we need to go to the trading options right on top, and there we will select for this video the buy option. After that you can also select the order type. We have a one-time order, but you can also select a recurring buy order if you would like to purchase this coin on a regular base. So you can set up automatic purchases during a weekly, monthly or daily time frame. Now for this one we choose the one-time order. We just want to purchase this coin once. So after that we need to fill in the amount of euros or dollars we would like to spend on this coin. Let's say we would like to spend 1000 euros. As you can see, we will receive these amount of coins in return for this amount of money. After that you need to select the payment method, and as you can see, if we click on it you can select the preferred payment method. Now if your preferred payment method is not in this list, then you can add a new payment method by clicking on this button down below. Once you have added it, then select it and you can check the coin we have selected to buy. Now click on review order. After that you are opening the order review, and a good tip from me to save yourself a lot of money while trading on Coinbase is using the Coinbase One subscription. As you can see, we are paying a trading fee for every order we are placing on Coinbase. That is basically a fee for using their platform and buying crypto online. So if you don't want to pay these fees, then use the Coinbase One subscription and you won't pay any fees up to 10k a month of trades. So as you can see on this order we can already save 38 euros and 37 cents. So that is a lot, and after those free 7 days then you are paying 25 euros a month. So it's definitely worth it to use the Coinbase One subscription also after those 7 days. Now if you would like to buy these coins, click on buy now and these coins will be added to my assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!